So hello everyone. Today in my channel we are going to discuss about palindrome number and code it in Python. So before we start into the solution, let us check the description and the question and read it properly. So given is an integer x and we should return true if x what we have given is a palindrome or false if it is not a palindrome. So what is a palindrome? So palindrome is an integer when it reads the same forward and backward. Like 1 to 1, like we take 1, 2, and we read it backwards 1, 2. So it's 1 to 1 is a palindrome, whereas 1 to 3 is not because it when it is reversed, they are not the same. Similarly, we'll take the example here. So they are given the input as 1 to 1. So output, it must be true. And explanation, they are simply given that from left to right and from right to left, they are the same. Same we do and test all three cases and let us see. So here is the code. So first we have to specify and define the class solution as object, and we define the function as is palindrome and specify the string character as self and given input as x. Now there's a simple one line code in Python where return string of x what we input double equal to just like we're checking str of x colon is to 1. So what is this colon is to 1? This is basically nothing but indexing. So we know indexing is like 0, 1, 2, 3. So is to minus 1 shows that it just gives the reverse. So whatever the input x is given, if it is the same as this, because it's just simply the reverse of what we have input. So let us take the case input as 1 to 1 and which is true and expected is true. So